Kroma has many years of experience working with customers and a profound know-how expertise in fish processing equipment. We have invented many new solutions for the seafood industry. GUTMASTER 1000 is produced for marine use. This unique machine is designed for processing flatfish species. The measurements of a flatfish are taken when it comes inside the machine. All tools are activated based on those measurements. It is easy to operate it. An operator places a flatfish head up to a V-stop. The machine will take care of the rest. It will cut a flatfish carefully around the collarbone. In this way, it prevents unnecessary cuts in the backbone or fillets. A liver suction unit assures to take everything from the inside of a flatfish by the suction pipe. The waste is collected in the vacuum, which will later be disposed into a tank. An automatic cleaning mode together with CIP cleaning system ensures product safety and adds efficiency to the cleaning process. Since shields of the machine can be opened, it makes cleaning accessible from all sides. Effortless manual cleaning with spotless results guaranteed. GUTMASTER 1000. Present with an excellent gutting result. Kroma, Master of Fish Processing.